This script will open all the .acq files in whatever folder the user selects, will set up some measurements in each of those files, run the cycle detector, and generate output that will be saved in spreadsheet files with names matching the names of the original data files. The exact processing steps the script performs are not terribly important, as the script is primarily intended to be a blueprint for any type of batch processing. By modifying the steps in the process graph macro, the script can be used to perform whatever steps the user desires. The script comprises the process graph macro and two callbacks, onOpenFile and onCloseGraph. The onCloseGraph callback is executed every time that a graph window is closed, as long as the script remains loaded. The onCloseGraph callback contains a small amount of code, basically incrementing the counter to begin processing the next file each time one file is closed, and then performing some cleanup after the last file has been processed. After processing all the files, the script will run a command that will unload itself to prevent this callback from being executed unintentionally. Use of this callback ensures that the memory allocated when a file is open gets deallocated when the graph window is closed. We'll run the script now to demonstrate its execution. It starts by asking the user to select a folder. We have a folder that has some files in it that we have set aside specifically for the purposes of this script. When you choose select folder, then it starts opening each of those files, performing the processing steps, and you can see the spreadsheet files being created as it walks through each file in turn. When it's done, you can open up one of the spreadsheet files to see that what we've done is acquired the time and the mean heart rate. So the time, so every 2 seconds, we got the mean heart rate during those 2 seconds in each one of the data files. And in addition, at the end, after processing the last file, an additional text file is created which provides the names of all the files that were processed by the script.